All right, what's going on, guys? So we are getting ready to install the DC Level 6 and CRX. I'm super excited. It's gonna be a lot of work that this guy's gonna do, and I'm glad you got somebody that can really do the work when you don't know how to.
Hey, it is what it is.
But we got it done. You're gonna see in the video. This amp rack was an idea from a Steve Mead video I saw, and it was just fire. But I want to say it took Ray maybe 3 minutes to come up with how to make it, how to mount it, and how to make it secure that fast. Fire. But regardless, man, stay tuned. It's gonna be a this is the, I guess, the version 1 of the sound system.
Infinite.
Right. I'm moving very soon, so we gotta kind of have to put everything back together just to get, stuff out the garage for now. But we definitely gonna have to redo the box because we got something crazy coming. Should we tell them?
Nah, keep it a secret for right now.
All right, so we're gonna say it right now, but it's gonna be 12 of something. That's a lot. But yeah, 12 of something is going inside the CRX. But yeah, so man, y'all just stay tuned. It's gonna be like, we got a lot to come in. First things first, we gotta get the car running right. Get the suspension dialed in so that the car is super out of line. Then once that's there, we're gonna start taking it to car shows and get some people reactions of a small car with big bass.
Yes,
and understand, yesterday we turned it up a little bit. Nasty. So yeah. All right, we out. Let's get to the video.